everybody! So, I was able to purchase finally some of the stuff from one of our sponsors. Remember our anniversary bag? So, we have a lot of sponsors there from our local crafters and local, business women. And one of them is Creative Handicraft from Gel Tan. So, I asked her if she has already some of the on-hand designs that she can show me, because I'm so addictive to stenciling right now. So I also wanted to showcase some of her stuff that you can also find useful for you and enjoyable in your crafting activity. So here's what I purchased from her shop. This is houses, and we have roses. We also have monstera for the plantitas if you want. I'm not a plantita, but I love that leaves. We also have Christmas tree. Yeah, so there. And then we have sunlight. We have blood and Christ cross there. So since I know sometimes we can't appreciate it when it's just you're just seeing the stencil, I'm just gonna show you how you can use it and what it actually looks like when you use it. Usually I use my stencil in my Bible journaling. Also I use it as a background for creating my journaling cards. That's what I do. I usually do that for my Bible journaling as well. I just wanted it to be something fun. So now I'm just gonna show you an example of her stencil. So what I'm gonna do first is so that it won't move around, I'm just gonna put some washi tape on the edges. Be careful with the washi tapes that you will use, because sometimes some of my washi tapes I didn't know it's actually ripping off my paper. So make sure that it's okay. This one I'm not sure if it's okay, but I'm just hoping it is. So let me try and do that. So I'm gonna use Concord and 9th Premium Dye Ink Ballet Slipper. Usually for my stencil, if I'm just using it as a background and I wanted to write something on top of it, I just use like a color that is very light, so that it will not overempower what I'm gonna write on top of it. So let's see how this goes. Okay, hold on. I wanted to make sure that I have a very sturdy flat surface, so I'm gonna get this mat, the glass mat that I purchased from the Crafters Marketplace. So let me do that here, put it there, brush it against this, and do that. Also, I learned from one of our crafters that is very helpful on her stenciling tips. I think it might be Johan Shu. She mentioned that for you to be able to blend it well, don't put the pressure on the head of the brush, rather put the pressure just here, so that you can have better control on how much ink it will actually put into the surface of your background. So at least the lesser pressure you have, the more control you have in adding more colors to the stencils or to the design that you're trying to create. So there. So let's see. Okay, so just finish this. Let me just finish this. Okay. Okay. I think this one is already good for me. You're good. At least I'll know. I'll just give you a sample of it. So let's see how this goes. So let's lift it up and make sure you lift it gently. There. So there you go. This is what you can get out of this house stencil. I love it. I actually love it. So I hope you guys like it. So if you wanted some stencils and for you to support our local crafters and local business women, Creative Handcraft. So she was the one who made this. Alright, you guys, thank you so much. Bye!